Ayan, so we are now live on our YouTube channel at Atomy Marikina Aja Center. Good morning sa lahat ng ating mga Zoom attendees and sa lahat ng ating mga YouTube viewers. I am Sales Master Joyce Tabiano from Marikina Aja Center and I am your host for today. And to start our morning meeting po, we will be reciting our company motto. So may I ask everyone to please open our camera and unmute our mic so that we can recite our company motto together. Ready, position, please. Yep. Company motto, go.
Cherish the spirit, create the vision,
follow the faith,
serve humility. Aja. Thank you, everyone. Pamute po muna ng ating mga mic. Ayan po. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 2 minutes para po i-share po muna yung ating YouTube link sa lahat ng ating mga Atomy group chats sa mga partners po natin na hindi available this morning para ma-review po nila yung ating live po doon. Malaman po nila yung mga informations na malalaman po natin about sa ating Atomy Hemohim, Evening Care, and Glow Base. Yan po, while sending our YouTube link, I would like to welcome po yung mga kaka-join na po sa ating Zoom. Sales Master, Ma'am Arlinda Tismo. Hello po, Ma'am.
Hello. Good morning, everyone.
Yan po. We still have 1 minute po for sending our YouTube link. Po, sa exactly 2 minutes, I hope na nasend na po natin sa lahat ng ating mga group chats yung ating YouTube link. But for now po, we have to start with our topic for today dahil excited na rin po akong malaman yung mga informations na makakatulong po sa atin about sa ating Hemohim, Evening Care, and our Glow Base. So without further ado po, ibinibigay ko po yung ating screen for today sa ating pong speaker na magpe-present po sa atin ng product introduction of our Hemohim, Evening Care, and Glow Base. No other than, let's welcome on screen, Ma'am Crizalyn Avila.
Good morning po. Ayan. So, Crizalyn Avila po. So, from AMAA, Marikina Aja Center. So, it's a privilege po to share to you today ang ang tungkol sa ating products, napaka-amazing products, and these are the products na first na nagpa-amaze sa akin dito sa Atomy. So ayan, so let's start na po. Next, ma'am. Yan po yung before ko. So ano na po, if I'm not mistaken, like 5 years ago na po yan, or 5 or 6 years ago na po yan, kasi mga November of of that year. So 20 nung nag-start ma'am dito yung Atomy sa Pilipinas. So yung first sponsor ko kasi dito sa Atomy, kasi 'di ba marami po tayong sponsor sa Atomy. So yung pinaka first sponsor na nag-alaga sa akin nung nandito po siya sa Atomy is ayan ang nagda-drag sa akin papunta sa seminar, and that was my my face before. So, and this is the after when I use the absolute cell active natin. But then again, we're not going to talk about our absolute cell active today. We will this is the product na nagpa-stay sa akin dito sa Atomy. Kasi itong product na to, sa Atomy lamang mabibili. Though we have basic or necessity product in Atomy, but this product is absolutely sa Atomy lang talaga mabibili. So next slide, ma'am. Yes, and that is our Hemohim. So that's the reason why I'm in love with this company, because of our Hemohim. Because before I tried like toothpaste or toothbrush, but with Hemohim, ito yung nagbigay ng shift sa akin, sa buhay ko dito sa Atomy. So I cannot live without Hemohim. Yun ba nga, parang siya na yung everlasting ko. So let's talk about Hemohim. Why is that na super in love ako sa ating Hemohim? Because Hemohim is a natural health product, and it awakes your exhausted immunocytes with this product. So ibig sabihin, exhausted, lahat ng taong napapagod kailangan mag-take ng Hemohim. Hindi lang yung may mga sakit o may mga malalalang sakit or mga matitinding sakit. Lahat ng tao pong napapagod. Ayan. Kasi na-exhaust yan eh. Bakit? Next slide, ma'am. What is immunity? So, immunity is so important sa ating body because it recognizes and destroys pathogens. The reason why na na-exhaust ang ating immunity because of the different pathogens. Alam naman natin, marami yan. Araw-araw nating namimit, whether nasa bahay tayo or nasa labas na trabaho tayo or anywhere you are, mayroong pathogens because of the world we live in, diba? So, and Hemohim has the ability, ang immunity na to has the ability to protect our bodies from harm. That's why we need Hemohim so that mag-function ng mabuti ang ating immune system. And why take Hemohim? Next slide, ma'am. So, ang sabi nga kanina, it awakens the exhausted immunocytes. So, sa mathematician pa, equals to healthy immune system. So, if you want to improve your health, you have to really maintain taking Hemohim, because ang pinaka-advice na dosage nito is 1 to 2 sachet a day. So, ayan, no? Next, ano nga bang sikreto netong Hemohim natin? What's the secret behind our Hemohim? So, there are three outstanding herbs or herbal ingredients na nag-separate, and that is making our Hemohim outstanding from the rest, because there are a lot of organic products, but what's the difference of Hemohim? So, we have the Angelica gigas, Linguisticum sinense, at Peonia lactiflora. So, yan pong tatlo na yan ang pinaka-outstanding ingredients. Ibig sabihin, sa lahat ng mga herbal ingredients or components na trinay, kasi 8 years in the making tong Hemohim natin. So, all the components na other herbal ingredients that they have tried, these three are the outstanding. So they have tried like from other herbal ingredients, like sa fruits din and sa mga vegetable. Di ba may mga ganun tayo sa mga organic natin na mga supplements na that are out in the market na natin, na nandiyan na binibenta. So they're saying that this is good. But of course, we are also a company that, and sa patent kasi ng Hemohim na to, ito talaga yung nakita nilang outstanding na grabe yung component. And also nakaka-amaze din ito because each of these ingredients has its own patent. So everyone may patent siya. So getting a patent talaga, di ba nag-undergo muna yan ng checking, kung maganda ba talaga, ano ba talagang sinasabi. So hindi ka agad-agad na papatent yung isang ingredients unless talagang super duper na maganda talaga yung ingredients na yan. So, Hemohim is a substance with special immune function. So, special immune function. So, masasabi nyo parang sa word na yan, it's so, parang simple lang siya, but it derives from something, di ba? Because, bakit? It has been developed through biological engineering and radiation technology. So yung immune function na nag-undergo siya ng biological engineering and radiation technology. Ibig sabihin, hindi lang siya basta na pinatuyo mo, giniling mo, pinowderize mo, tapos binenta mo na sa mga tao, pinackage mo at binenta sa tao. Ito is nag-undergo ng biological engineering and radiation technology. Ibig sabihin, talagang grabe yung paggawa nito. That's why we're so confident, and I myself is so confident to share this as well, aside from my testimonies, and also the reason behind how this Hemohim was being made. And it is through this. And next, ma'am. So, paano ba ano ba ang development story ng Hemohim? So, ang Hemohim, ganito siya na-develop. So, from KAIRI, Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute, which is mga scientists talaga ang nag-check niyan. Sila ang nag-test niyan. Hindi, and then, it was been developed to functional biodefense food. And then, undergoes to Kulmar Beauty and Health. So, doon siya ini-establish, doon siya mina-manufacture. So, and then it passed through the evaluation of MFDS. That's why so much confident tayo. And ang nagsisales nito, so bilang Atomians or Atomy company, we are just the one who sells. Ang pinaka-function ng Atomy is yung sales commercialization. Siya yung nag-distribute, siya yung nagbebenta. And as Atomians, we are like agents of this company and with this Hemohim, because we are the one who recommends this, who shares this to a lot of people so that mas marami ang makaalam. So Hemohim, next month. So so we have to enhance our immunity. So for a stronger and healthier life with our Hemohim. So, and I have also additional to show you next month. So this is the patent of Hemohim. So mas chinus ko na i-share, and mostly sa mga Atomians, we chose to share the patent of US because US is international language, right? So mas madali nating maintindihan kasi. So ang US patent niya is 6964785B2. So if we can say, that's the reason why we are so confident also to share our Hemohim to others, because of this patent. Ibig sabihin may nasusulat. There's may experiment, and usually our doctors and our professionals really needs to know this, and you have to show this so that they will actually, because even, di ba, mga normal na person, we have to see basis, and that's the reason why kailangan may backup din tayo to show them. So they just have to type this patent number sa Google, kasi Google naman na tayo, AI na tayo ngayon, so they can search it to a browser, to Google browser, and they will be able to pull up the whole patent or full experiment of Atomy, explaining what's the product, what's the content of the product, and how was it made. So kung ano pa ang kanyang pinatutunayan. If you can see here, there's a lot na pwede niyang may itulong, so activating the immune cells, inhibiting the growth of the tumor cells, tapos yung NK cells pa, kasi ito rin yung highlight ng ating Hemohim, yung NK cells, yung natural killing cells. So our body has its own capability to heal itself so long as healthy siya. Ibig sabihin, ang NK cells na yan nasa body na tayo. So we've been made, kung sa lahat sa ating naniniwala sa taas, sa Panginoon, we've been made perfect to heal ourselves. Just that we have to maintain it healthy. We have to take care of it. And this Hemohim, yun nung nakakapag-activate ng ating natural killing cells. That's why Atomy claims also that we're absolute because we're next to perfect. Who is perfect ba? Because it's our God who is perfect with healing, right? So to those who believes in God, so we know that it's God who is the perfect healer. But then again, here on earth, we cannot avoid a lot of consequences because of our actions, especially of how we take care of ourselves. That's why if we want to be healthy, we have to switch on this kind of supplement because it has everything na. And then meron din siyang activating the microphages. This is from the patent, okay? And cytotoxic T cells, so hematopoietic function also. So, yung mga highlights na lang yung binabanggit ko. And it also improves the recovery of hematopoietic immune system. So, with those patients who are diabetic, allergic, and with cancer patients, this Hemohim will definitely help them while they're taking their medication because our Hemohim is very, very safe to partner with the medication because there's a lot of people who's having medication and they're not allowed to take supplements, right? Because baka magkaroon ng imbalance. But our Hemohim is proven effective. That is best na supplement partner if if you're having medication. So super safe siya. There's no wala siyang side effect. And it also so there are people benefiting already sa ating Hemohim aside from cancer patient, diabetic patient. There are also people with high cholesterol na natulungan, high blood pressure, yun nga nabanggit ko, diabetic, allergies, cancers, consistent cold catching. So I and my family has this one like allergy siguro because we are prone to cold usually and my kids, so that's why we really love Hemohim. And if we don't have the ano ng Hemohim, I'm so sad. So we really have to always have it in our home. And irregular arthritis, gout, regular menstrual cycle, and chronic inflammatory activities. These are just some of it. I'm sorry. So these are just some of it. And next, ma'am. So I have here the summary of the invention. I have it in English and I have it in Tagalog. So i-screenshot ko na lang din send sa inyo. But I will read it to you, no? This is the summary of the patent. So of our Hemohim. So it is therefore an object of the present invention to provide a herbal composition having the effects of improving the anti-cancer activity, immune response, hematopoiesis of the body. So it really helps with the blood. And where the effect is higher than a conventional drugs. Di ba amazing? The effect is higher than a conventional drug. So why not switch to our supplement? Because the effect is higher than conventional drugs. And I know to those people who already encounters taking drugs or medicinal drugs, medications, you encounter like you're trying to target the main problems, but then again mayroong lumalabas na ibang problema when you're taking drugs, right? But with our Hemohim, yung effect niya is higher than conventional drugs wherein there's no side effect pa. It will really help your health and having the effects of enhancing the immune and hematopoietic function, and as well as being capable of protecting the body from oxidative damage using the medicinal plants. And that's the very unique with Hemohim because it is just a medicinal plants. Wala na siyang ibang ano pa, medicinal plants. So if it is a medicinal plants, which nabanggit ko kanina, the Angelica gigas, this is the scientific name of those three ingredients or na herbal ingredients na binanggit ko kanina, Angelica gigas, Cynidium officinale, and the Fiona japonica. Yan. So, and it is another object of the present invention to provide a pharmaceutical composition. So it's like it's already like a pharmaceutical composition. And comprising such herbal composition as an effective ingredient, diba? napaka-amazing na may ganun pharmaceutical composition siya, and then it's the effect is higher than a conventional drugs, but it is like a food that we are just intaking. Food talaga na siya. It's not Hemohim or Atomy is also not claiming that Hemohim can cure, but it's really functional, and the effect really speaks for itself, or the product really speaks for itself when you're taking this, and to provide functional food. So that's why it's just a food na functional siya, that really helps a lot. Para lalong-lalo na sa mga nakakaranas ng mga low immune system, mga may sakit. Ayan. So napaka-effective ng herbal ingredients. And then may Tagalog din siya, or Filipino. 'Yon. So siguro padadaanan ko na lang ng mabilis, ano. So sa makatuwid, ito ay isang layunin ng kasalukuyang imbensyon upang magbigay ng isang herbal na komposisyon na may mga epektibo ng pagpapabuti ng aktibidad ng anti-cancer, immune response, hematopoiesis ng katawan, kung saan ang epekto ay mas mataas kaysa sa traditional na gamot na may mga epekto ng pagpapahusay ng immune at hematopoietic function. Hematopoietic po kasi dahil sa blood. And pati na rin ang kakayang protektahan ng katawan mula sa oxidative na pinsala. So yun yung oxidative damage. Gamit ng mga halamang gamot na Angelica gigas, Syzygium officinale at Peonia japonica, ito ay isa pang layunin ng kasalukuyang imbensyon na magbigay ng komposisyong pharmaceutico na binubuo ng naturang herbal na komposisyon bilang isang mabisang sangkap. Ito ay isang karagdagang layunin ng kasalukuyang imbensyon upang magbigay ng isang functional na pagkain na binubuo ng tulad ng isang herbal na komposisyon bilang isang mabisang sangkap. That's why, that's the difference, that's the difference of our supplement. It's organic, but the effect is more than the conventional drugs. Next, ma'am. So this is me and my husband taking Hemohim because we really love it. And this is a screenshot from Doctora, our pediatrician. Ano? So one of the Atomy member. Naku, nasa dulo ng dilang bigla ako na nakakaya na medyo nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ni Doktora, no? Sino nga?
Doctora Tordesillas.
Yeah, Dr. Tordesillas. So I have learned a lot from Dr. Tordesillas. Thank you, ma'am. Ayan, so nag-share din siya nito about sa Hemohim that even doctors right now na naging na partner with Atomy, they are also checking if it is really true, and they are also checking every ingredient in a way na sa biotechnology, I think so, and they really has these are the na they believe na talagang matutulungan ng ating Hemohim. So may mga list of patients na talagang napatunayan na talaga na napaka-effective ng ating Hemohim. So, and these are the list, no? So, sobrang murang-mura lang na to. As a member price here in the Philippines, it's 4,300 in a box. So, instead of trying other organic supplements there na magpapataas pa ng sugar nyo and what, dito na lang kayo mag-switch kasi mukhang mura doon, pero pagka kinumbine mo by dapat maging magaling tayong mathematician, dito na tayo. Let's check not the bottle size but the ml, talagang yung kung ilan talaga ang component ng ating supplements na to. And ma'am, pwede bang ng yung Facebook reel na yan, ma'am? Maikli lang naman yan. Pwede bang mag-click magpe-play kaya yan, ma'am? Ay, hindi na ata. But may reel ako dito. Siguro i-share ko na lang sa inyo. And that's when, okay, kay Mungsang. Ayan. So, ayan ma'am. So, ayan po. So, makikita natin before. That's the reason why I'm saying na napakamura natin ng ating Hemohim, because before, unang labas ng Hemohim, hindi na to unang labas kasi 60 pieces na daw ito that time. Kasi ang unang labas ng Hemohim 30 pieces lang po. Sobrang mahal niyan. Pero on this video clip na from our Mungsang Hangil Park is ano daw to $770 sa 60 pieces. So panghuling labas ako kasi ngayon 60 pieces na yung ating Hemohim daw. So napakaswerte nating may ganito kasi before it's like amounting sa kapag inano sa Philippine peso, it's 44,000 sa isang box, 60 pieces. But now, 4,300. And I've heard also from the mga pioneers na Atomians, even doctors are selling this ang bagong salta pa siya dito sa Pilipinas, like 10,000. So, but then again, wag nating sundin yung mga ganun. Because, you know the reason why I understand because, ano siya, yung value kasi ng ating Hemohim. Kaya lang, ngayon, parang yung value niya, parang wag natin pong i-devalue yung value ng Hemohim natin kasi sobrang hirap nitong 8 years in the making, sobrang yung technology behind this is so much expensive. So sa halagang nito, sobrang mura na po ito. Huwag niyo na pong mas anuhan pa. Kailangan i-push talaga natin to sa mga ano natin, kaibigan, kamag-anak, o sino pa ba kami mga kamag-anak din sila o kaibigan sila na nangangailangan ito. So we have to be so proud of our Hemohim, di ba? So na ito yung maitutulong niya sa atin. So we are so talaga grateful na meron tayong Hemohim because before only people who are rich lang ang nakaka-afford nito at mga may alam lang tungkol sa Hemohim. At saka mga taong may fatal diseases talaga ang makakabili nito. Ngayon, it is open to everyone. We can afford it, di ba? The masses can afford it if we want to. So kailangan natin i-take advantage talaga itong Hemohim natin. And I know every one of you who are listening right now also loves Atomy. So I'm just highlighting it for the benefit of the people who can also watch this product introduction. Next, ma'am. So ayan, so we're done with our Hemohim and now let's go. So let's from being healthy, we have to switch now on our beauty. Ayan, our beauty care who is also functional. Because why? So before nga pinakita ko yung picture sa inyo, ayan ako. And then mayroon akong mga din sa social media because I really want to share my experience. So this is the first talaga na this is really the first products na na-try ko sa because I try to select which product ang makakatulong sa aking acne problem. So hindi niyo lang siguro nakikita kasi medyo madilim at blurred ang nasa picture, pero puno po yan ako ng acne dito paborito ng acne yan dito ko at saka sa nose ko. Yan. So the first thing that I noticed about our products is this. So let's products na nagamit ko is ito nga. Let's next slide natin is our Atomy Evening Care for Set. So before I use it single. I don't really get the result that I want to get kasi nga sa pimple problem or acne problem ko. So my sponsor or I myself is always telling me na set ang bilhin. Then nainis na ako kasi nga single, then I go to buying the whole set. Then so this is the reason why it's effective. So if you have these problems, pimple, acne, deep-seated dirt, excess oil, which are my problems, it's like excess oil and then dry yung aking component ng skin ko. Tapos blackheads, dark spots, whiteheads, yan meron ako niyan. So if it is yung problem nyo, need nyo na magamit ng 4 evening set. So this is the first na gamitin na gawin nyo. So you have to go back to the step 1, which is cleansing. And this 4 evening set is our cleansing step po. Hindi pa to yung pang nourishing or moisturizing, though it gives the nourishing and moisturizing effect. But this is our cleansing set talaga yung 4 set natin. So first, we have our deep cleanser. It removes the makeup, and cleanses the clogged pores. So this is what I discovered. You have to use a lot of deep cleanser on your skin. So, sa unang-unang lagay, wipes ng wet wipes or tissue, a clean tissue, because tissues are sanitized and some are using the kitchen tissue because food grade siya, di ba? So you can must prefer nila, and I just ano dit sa hacks. Tapos deep cleanser marami, and then wipe it with it, and then put another na deep cleanser sa inyong mukha, and wait until from white, wait up until na maging oily siya before you cleanses it off with foam cleanser, because our foam cleanser removes the impurities and the makeups na. So yung oil base, parang i-condition lang natin yung skin natin by putting parang deep cleanser. Oil base kasi ang ating deep cleanser. And then the peeling gel, this easily removes unnecessary dead skin cells without any skin irritation. And the peel off mask minimizes the pore sperms and calm skins. Kailangan po proper nyo siya. May iba't ibang diskarte, but mas maigi kung yung step by step talagang sundin nyo. You just have to use ample amount. And then next month, so let's explain what's the ingredients of this deep cleanser. So deep cleanser has 150 ml. So sobrang dami na po yan. Ang tagal ninyong ubusin. And sabi nga Nina, it removes makeup. And what's the nito? Ang pinaka-highlight, it firms the skin, clear skin tone, and glossy skin. Nagbibigay ng glossy skin. Next is our foam cleanser. 150 ml din ito. It removes the makeup removal, or makeup removal siya. So it removes impurities and the makeups. And it cleanses the skin. That's why after you use it, parang fresh na ng look ninyo. So you just have to reach ladder ng kailangan sobrang bulay lang po. Hindi yun pagkalagay nyo, basta lang lagay sa mukha. Kailangan ipa-bubbles. The reason why it's called foam cleanser, because you have to really make bubbles out of yun nga, yung content na yun. And then, before putting it on your skin and lather it ng maigi. Parang mag-refresh the skin. And then, it gives a hydrated finish. That's why parang fresh look na after ng foam cleanser. But don't stop there. Let's also don't skip with the peeling gel. You can do this twice a week. Okay? Twice a week, or kapag parati kayong naarawan pati, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, it's so hot. So you can do this thrice or twice a week. So it is a dead skin. So sa dead skin cells siya ang nagre-remove ng dead skin cells natin. It gives a radiant skin, and it also controls the sebum. And the last for our cleaning set is our peeling mask. Peel off mask natin. So I really love this peel off mask because if you put this on your face, pwede mo siyang itulog overnight, and then pagka binuksan mo, parang nag-magic na skin mo kasi nag-glow na siya. So ang ganda-ganda siya sa face. So why? Because it minimizes the pores. It has the pore care. So it cares for your pores. That's why when you remove it, makikita nyo nag-close na yung pores nyo. And the elasticity of the skin, so it removes the wrinkles, wrinkle na. So kailangan sa mga may edad na, lalo na yung mama ko, 'di ba, senior na, hindi nga halatang senior because of using this peel off mask. And the content is centella extract. So mga organic ingredients din ito. So it gives firmness and elasticity, and it also purifies our skin kasi meron siyang jade powder that really helps with active circulation and refines the skin surface. Kaya yun talaga yung nakatulong sa skin ko when I use the set. Hindi po single-single, kailangan the 4 set talaga. And you have to religiously use this. And also before we have a BB cream, right? And now I love using the BB cream, but before, BB cream doesn't work sa akin with my condition. So that's why I opt not to use the BB cream before. And this is what I discovered, our Atomy Healthy Glow Base. So from cleaning, you have to step on the moisturizing effect. If you can see also sa first, ko kanina, PPT ko, I am holding an absolute set. Before I'm using the absolute set, it doesn't work sa akin before because of the skin type that I have. So I have to really stick on this cleansing set and then our Atomy healthy glow base because I don't use powder or anything because if I use it, ano talaga siya, magbe-break out. So nag-maintain ako and tiniis ko talaga na walang muna mga foundation. I'm just using this because it gives glow effect. So even though you're not using any foundation or BB creams, it really your skin looks really pinkish and then healthy talaga. The healthy pinkish because it has its self-radiating skin natural dewy glow talaga. And it has also an SPF 30 na po and then dalawang plus na PA na siya. So and brightening and wrinkle effect na rin siya. So it is it really helps me a lot and we have next month the product features niya. Chinek ko to bago gamitin and it really works for me. So parang tatlong ano talaga no na observe ko, tatlong bote nito na nakita ko talaga yung glowy effect niya talaga. Sa first step, ang main kasi 'di ba, hindi mo mapapansin kaagad kasi may pimples ka. Pero nung ano na talaga naging ano na from rough road to to ano to skinny yung makinis na glowy na skin ano natin pores, ito talaga mas na-appreciate ko siya talaga kasi yung moisturizing effect niya, glowing skin talaga niya is napakaganda. So the moisturizing kasi rose ang ano nito Next month, ito kasi yung base sa base and skincare, may triple action formula siya that cure wrinkle. Kasi wrinkle prone din po ako kahit na medyo 30s lang po ako ngayon, early 30s. Kasi po may laugh line po ako. Kapag gumanon po ako, meron po akong lumalabas dito na mga laugh lines po natin. So that hindi so matanda ka na, yun lang ang nagkaka-wrinkles. Kahit po mga medyo bata-bata pa, meron pong wrinkles din and I'm one of them. So I have to really use this. So and then it has also controlling sweat and may control siya sa sweat and sebum. Kasi ang skin type ko is oily and dry, mixed siya. So I have to really use that and I love this glow base natin. And then healthy and mild din po kasi siya. That's why nag-click talaga sa akin. So next ma'am. So, ito yung Atomy Glow Tip niya. So, sa healthy. So, dito, ito yung mga tips kung gusto mo yung glowy talaga. Kasi kapag Atomian ka, nag-glow talaga ang face mo and maganda talaga yan. So, kapag gusto mong may color and then, and healthy glow base and BB cream pag natural glow daw. Healthy glow base and AA cream foundation. Yun naman, kung gusto mo yung complexion na is flawless. Pero, during that time kasi with my experience with my acne, I'm not using BB creams and then a foundation. I'm just solely using the glow base lang po. Just tips lang for those who has acne and pimples acne, no? Next ma'am. So ito po yung ingredients niya. Rose water, pearl powder, acerola, so yung vitamins niya, and then acai berry, meron din siya, and squalane. So these ingredients are so important sa skincare. So if you are talaga skeptical person, you have to really check this in Google kasi ako din, ganun din chinek ko rin to bago gamitin. So that's why na-amaze ako ng daming content sa ganun lang bote niya, ganun na pala yung content niya. Super powerful kapag bumili ka sa ibang stores nito or boutique. Napakamahal to at separate pa yan. So, kasi ako gusto ko isahang gamit lang, nandito na sa isahan, di ba? Mas maganda pa siya. And it really talks. It really speaks. Makikita nyo naman sa skin ko na ngayon, di ba? So, love natin ang ating girlfriend. And then we have also yung tips na ganito, yung iba na gumagamit na ng skincare natin, our six skins, the fame natin na dati ang tawag six skin system. Ngayon naman the fame na siya because of its legacy na, 'di ba? Sobrang tagal na super love din namin to. So, after na nag-okay na yung skin ko, nag-fit in na siya doon sa pore cleansing and then sa glow base, doon ako nag-switch into this set. So ito po yung mga combination. Actually, makikita rin natin ito sa ating shopping mall when you click the product. Ayan. So if you have ito ang paggamit ng glow base. So between siya, after siya ng sunscreen talaga ginagamit ang glow base. and then before ng BB cream, and then before ng mga compact, mineral compact nyo. Kasi gumamit yung gusto ko na, kasi I have uses this too eh. Mineral compact ko pagka gusto nyo yung hindi parang shiny effect, parang gusto nyo yung parang dry effect lang, yung fresh lang, mineral compact after this. And then kung gusto nyo naman yung parang glossy effect, yun na after na BB cream and then AS foundation. Next, ma'am. So, ayan po, no? So, dyan na po ako nagtatapos. We have to really invest in our health because our investing in our health is never an expense talaga. And then, if you want to be noticed faster, if you're doing this business, and if you want to really recommend our products, you have to start in our face. Ako, I don't have any kasi nun to really start in my face because I have acne problems. But those who doesn't, kailangan, kahit na wala kayong problem, but if you're doing the business, you have to really start with your face. Because dito nila nakikita sa mukha natin if the product is really effective. Of course, in and out ang target natin, health. Kasi hindi rin niya mag-glow yung skin mo ko if you're not putting something inside na healthy rin. Kasi what we eat, nagre-reflect rin sa mukha natin. And what we use in our face, in our body, makikita rin sa mukha natin. So, use Atomy beauty products. And also, just for my testimony rin, going back with this, all of this, it really helps also my family. We really love the beauty products and the Hemohim talaga. Because even my daughters na 2 months before, they're taking, hindi nga lang kasi ma-share kanina yung FB Reels ko, may reel ako doon na I really use it sa droplets sa aking anak. So, sana may spread nyo pa yung about sa Atomy, sa Hemohim pala, unahin nyo talagang i-offer yung Hemohim because I myself, una talagang inano sa akin yung, hindi sa akin kaagad na-introduce ang Hemohim. But if I have, kung nalaman ko, pero I'm so grateful sa sponsor ko because of Atomy kasi nandun lang naman sa shopping mall. But then again, it's better for us Atomians na una nating introduce ang Hemohim at una rin nating matry para mas madali, mas confident tayong i-share talaga yung mga Atomy products natin. So thank you so much for having me and introducing this products. I hope na nakatulong ito sa inyo na ma-discover nyo pa ang ating Atomy products. Okay? Thank you so much.
Let's clap our hands po to Ma'am Crizalyn Avila sa napakagandang presentation, ma'am. Marami po kaming natutunan, especially sa ating Hemohim, nandun na present si ma'am yung lahat ng mga patent, especially the US patent. Actually, meron siyang Japan, Europe, and other countries pa po na patent kaso hindi po natin mababasa or maiintindihan. Yung sa US lang po kasi naka-English. Talagang napakaganda na share nyo doon, ma'am. Malalaman natin na yung hindi tayo mahihiyang i-share yung ating Hemohim na talagang we are very confident na i-share siya sa lahat ng mga nangangailangan dahil we know naman na makakatulong talaga ito sa kanila and yung ating evening care and glow base na na-share po ninyo based on your experience. Talagang maganda po yan kapag nag-share tayo ng ating Atomy products based on our experience kasi makikita rin po nila yan sa atin yung effect kapag nag-share ka. 'Di ba? Baka yung iba sabihin nila, ginagamit mo ba yan? Bakit hindi maganda yung skin mo, 'di ba? Kaya dapat talagang gamitin natin yung product para kahit hindi tayo magsalita, nakikita nila yung sa skin po natin, yung effect ng mga products na sinashare po natin. So, thank you very much po, Ma'am Crizalyn Avila. And we will give one chance po sa mga gustong mag-ask ng kanilang question or if you want to share anything na regarding sa ating products for today or realization from our topic for today bago po tayo mag-proceed sa ating center announcement. Yan po, kung wala na po, yan, pwede nyo rin pong i-chat doon sa ating AMAAC group chats para po mabasa ng ating mga partners na hindi po nakapag-join for today. And bago po tayo magtapos, we will proceed po muna sa ating center announcement. Ayan po, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel at Atomy Ariel Marikina Aja Ada Center and our Facebook page, i-like nyo po at i-subscribe yung ating FB page at ang ating YouTube channel para updated po kayo sa mga happenings about Atomy and also sa mga ina-upload po namin makakatulong po sa ating Atomy business. And Subscribe nyo na rin po at i-like ang ating official Atomy Philippines na Facebook page and YouTube channel. Atomy PH_official po yung kanilang FB page. And Atomy Philippines official naman po ang YouTube channel. Ayan, at sa mga hindi pa po check out ng kanilang beauty care set TV app na promo po ng ating Atomy Philippines sa ating 7th anniversary special, mag-check out na po kayo kasi yung ating healthcare set po is sold out na. So yung mga hindi po nakahabol, pwede nyo pa pong habulin yung ating beauty care setup kasi available pa po sa ating website. Pero yung ating healthcare is currently sold out. And our one-day seminar po, bukas na po yan sa ating Atomy Philippines Pick-up Centers, 2nd floor, National Bookstore Complex, Scout Borromeo Street, Quezon City, Quezon Avenue, Quezon City. So that is June 8, tomorrow na po, 1 p.m. onwards. Invite po natin yung mga malalapit po nating mga partners and prospect partners po na mag-join sa ating one-day seminar bukas. Meron din po yung simultaneous broadcast sa Baguio Cap Center and sa Cebu Dream Center. Yung atin pong vision lecturer is si Diamond Master Mama Hernandez. Marketing plan is si Diamond Master Sir Renz Magsingit, and our product introduction is Sales Master Ma'am Javelin Martiliana. And our one-day seminar naman po na local dito po sa Philippines, we have in Pagadian one-day seminar. Bukas na rin po yan, June 8, 2023, Thursday, 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Ang venue po is the Four Queens Resort, Rizal Avenue, Pagadian City. And on June 13 naman po, Tuesday, is on Davao one-day seminar. Ang venue naman po is SMX Lana. And June 15, Thursday, is the Cebu one-day seminar naman po, which is yung venue is the Bayfront Hotel Cebu North Reclamation. Invite po natin yung ating mga partners at mga kakilala po doon sa mga lugar po na yon na mag-join ng ating one-day seminar para ma-meet po nila at mapakinggan po nila yung ating direct Korean sponsor po. Walang iba ko din ating Crown Master, Choi Kyu-jong. And yung ating pong nalalapit na Success Academy, this June 23 to 24, 2023, ang ating pong location is Widows Hotel, Clark, Pampanga pa rin po. Our ticket price is 1,600. Inclusive na po yan ng room, meal, and Atomy products. So, hindi po tayo lugi sa ating 1,600. And yung registration po is nagsimula na until June 14, 2023 na lang po. Kaya yung mga gusto pong humabol, mag-join na po kayo at mag-register. Message nyo lang po yung any of the our AMAAC admins para makapag-register po kayo. Ayan, and that's it with our announcement. We are open po for online ordering assistance po dito sa center and your delivery pick-up. And yung ating office hours po is Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Sunday 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. For pick-up of deliveries po after ng ating morning meeting. Meron din po kami ditong contact numbers on Globe, Smart, and our telephone landline number dito sa center. Kung hindi nyo po kami makontak po dyan, dahil mahina po yung Globe and Smart dito sa aming area, pwede nyo po kaming i-chat sa aming mga sa atin pong group chats or sa amin pong personal messenger para po ma-assist po namin agad yung inyong mga kailangan regarding sa ating Atomy business. And that's it with our announcement. And once again, let's clap our hands po sa ating speaker for today, Ma'am Crizalyn Avila, sa napakagandang presentation about our products. Huwag niyo rin po kalimutang i-share yung ating YouTube live doon sa ating mga partners na hindi nakapag-join po today para malaman din po nila yung kagandahan ng ating mga produkto na na-discuss for this morning. And to end up with our morning meeting, we will be reciting our company motto. So may I ask everyone to please open our camera and unmute our mic so we can recite our company motto. Ready, position, please. Yep.
Yeah.
Company motto, go. Cherish the
Cherish the
spirit,
spirit,
create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Aja,
Aja.
aja.